showdown and just look at Pokemon and just see which ones I want to breed. Yo yo.
Yo.
Showdown?
I was gonna do a run about an hour ago, but I couldn't get out of Roxas World because DD was being a douchebag today.
Yeah, he was kind of trash. It was funny. Whoa! Did I just see noise come off of Ninten?
Yes.
Be right back.
So I gotta calm down with this sneeze.
I swear I saw noise lines around Ninten.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did too.
Yeah. See? It's
Time
not.
out.
It's
Time
not a
out.
myth.
He's got a mic. He's got a mic. Shh,
Isn't that
shh,
a-
shh, this is an
Oh,
important
sorry,
moment.
sorry.
Speak. We got baited.
Yeah, we did.
We're all hopeful. We're like, oh.
We're all literally staring at it like
Oh.
like a freaking as if he came out of the hyperbolic time chamber. We're just like yo 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 yo.
Oh, hold on. Dun 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 dun.
Shut up,
dun.
Ninten! Jesus Christ!
You're distracting everybody. Like,
Yo,
look at
he
Megateeth.
do got him.
You fucking, you little bastard!
Ninten's like, what are those?
What are those?
Oh shit!
She got fucking destroyed. Oh, that made my day. Okay, I need a water break.
That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Plot twist: secretly a grill.
Oh, I know who I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a Bisharp. I always wanted one of those, but I never took the time to breed one. I don't know what to use it for. He just has good coverage, but he gets fucked by anything. Any typing starting by an F. It's not flying.
I think this
He's a good He's good for my with a Conkeldurr set because I can use him to eat up hits from flying types. Plus his base speed isn't even that high, so. Okay, where can I find Pawniard? Oh, I need one from X and Y. Akio.
I think he said he'll be right back.
Alright,
I'm back.
guys, I'm back.
Oh, get on it, dude! You missed it. Ninten talked.
Oh.
Oh my god, Ninten talked.
Yeah, see,
Yeah,
look at the message. We're
It
not
was
lying.
2 seconds. For 2 seconds, we heard it, and suddenly we're just like, whoa, hold on.
Yeah, literally all of us just like filled our
And
pants.
he's like, I don't feel like
instantly.
talking. We're like, ah, you bastard.
All of us we all had to like buy new pants because we just tore through them.
Did you rip it right through?
Like,
Alright, is the
Right,
is the
so-
race up yet, or should I make it, or
oh
what?
right. Alright, races. Don't be racist.
Yo, Akil, I need your help, mate.
Okay.
I need your
I
help.
need a Pawniard.
I would
You
like
need what?
to get started as soon as possible.
Yeah, I know. I'm making it. Chill.
I know.
Pawn your-
I'm just saying.
There, it's open.
Thank
Wait,
you,
say
Blue.
again, Josh?
Blue. You're such a good guy.
Yo,
good guy, Blue.
yo, thanks, mate.
Pawniard.
Pawniard?
Mm-hmm.
Do it, yes. Or did you need
I also appreciate you all
Oh, you need
waiting
one.
for me.
Hold on.
Check the
Let
GTS
me
real quick.
switch to Max.
I'm gonna check the GTS real quick, so we have time.
Okay.
Bye. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Yes, good luck.
Yeah, I couldn't get on the
Hopefully,
rocks, so I like tossed my
no.
control on my couch and turned off
Blue
my
doesn't
video.
completely destroy himself in this run.
Yo, shouts to my boy Ray who's joining in.
No, he's just hoping you don't kill yourself again.
Yo, I can't wait to get to Miss Potts.
Yo, man, I made a scumbag T-party emote.
I don't want
God.
to.
Yeah, let's not lose 2 minutes to pots today.
How about let's not lose 5 minutes to Hades' escape spoon? Let's work on that one.
Yeah. Let's also not die twice to Hades' escape
about you
and once
focus
to
on that
1,000
one?
Heartless for a total of like 9-minute time lost to
Would you
terrible
finish at
deaths.
plus 10?
Plus, it was like plus 9, I think. I think without the deaths, I would have been like right on PB or like maybe beat it by
Well,
like I would have been like.
Plus, you would
within,
have
like,
been
10
trying for the second half of the run.
Yeah, that's kind of true. Actually, I pretty much wasn't trying after Hades' escape. I was just like,
Exactly.
fuck this.
I was like, fuck this, I don't care anymore.
Oh, dude,
I spent more time looking at blue chat than I spent looking at my own screen.
Shut up! I saw it,
Okay,
Ninten. I heard it again!
Ninten's just teasing us.
Ninten, you're such a tease, bro. Don't get us excited like that. Blue's gonna explode all over stream. Dude, this guy wants a Poniard for level 91 to 100 Breloom. Conveniently enough, I have a level 900 or level 94 Breloom.
You gotta trade it.
Alright, Ninten, the
Try-
race is open.
Unless you have a Breloom that I can have. It's level 1,
don't have
so
a
I might have. Or not a Breloom, but a Poniard.
Yo, you know what would be hilarious
I
though?
think I have one.
You know what'd be hilarious though? If like we're in the middle of all of us are just like going nuts over some like you two like okay, let's say Spin
have
and I
one.
both mess up Hades Escape and we're all just like going nuts and laughing and like getting mad and stuff and then Ninten just whispers, "Blue sucks." His first words being "Blue sucks" underneath his voice, underneath all of us, and we don't even notice.
God.
So I have a pen word. It's level 1, but it's
like he's-
it's got nothing.
He just subliminally
I don't
like
care if I want it. I
he's
just need a Poniard so I can
subliminal
start breeding.
messages.
Do you want a reject of it?
Sure.
Ninten cough. Everybody.
Let me get online.
Shut up!
I had to switch 3DSs earlier too.
Wants
So
to trade with
it's
me.
gonna-
Okay,
I think
so
so.
who's in the race?
It's
Me and Ninten. Anybody
yeah.
else?
I don't think so. No one else.